Hi, this is Mark in the Brownworks Woodshop, and we're going to do a short video today, tool tips, and we're going to talk a little bit about magnets and how we use them in our shop. We definitely have a small shop, so we have to be creative on where we put things. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. Now, one of the things with some of these tools, I have a lot of different tools in my workshop, and I have a really small workshop. So I have to be creative of where I can put stuff. So some of these tools, like this bandsaw, it comes with Allen wrenches and a couple wrenches that are specific for making adjustments on this machine. And you know, after you use it and then you throw these into your toolbox, then you can never find the right Allen wrench or the right correct wrench to make adjustments. It takes you a while to figure that out. Now, some tools like this bandsaw has a little compartment to be able to put its specific tools. Okay, so you know where those are. But there's other tools that you constantly use that you may need to find a place to put. So like I use a square a lot. Any woodworker is going to use different types of squares. And I used to put this on the table, forget where it is, and have to hunt for it whenever I'm going to look for it. So I found just going out and get a simple pack of magnets, like these little round magnets. I think they're under 10 bucks for a pack of 10 or 12. You know, a lot of your tools, you have a place that you can stick them. And then I can put my square, and I know it's always here. So when I'm done, I have a place to put it. Pretty simple to get to. So I know that's where it always is. And it can work with a lot of your tools are magnetic. Like I said, I use these round ones. If you have a surface that isn't metal to attach these, a lot of times they'll come with adhesive strips, so you can put them on either like your wooden shelf or something like that. Some of the other magnets that you get, like I use these little bar magnets. They come with holes in them, are pre-drilled, and you get a little pack of screws that you can again screw these magnets into different places where you want to attach your tools or whatever. Another thing I use with the magnets is a lot of times you get these pouches to put some tools in. If you have a lot of small tools and you don't want them all out, you can get these pouches, and they don't have to be name brand like this one. But again, you get some magnets. You put the magnets inside. Okay. And put it in a good spot for you. And then all your little small tools, like these are tools for the feather board that I know if I don't put them someplace, I'm going to lose them. So I put those and any instruction manuals. Yeah, I can put those right in there. One of the things with a lot of these manuals, you get them and you have a cabinet in your workshop. You just shove all the manuals in one place. But sometimes trying to root through and find the right manual, if I keep it by the tool, then I always know where it is. So if I have to do anything like take something apart or order a certain part, I know where the manual is. It's right by my tool. So let me show you some other things I have magnetic. So another thing I use, since I have a small shop, I do have a metal door to my shop. And one of the things I have on my door I keep my paper towel roll here with a little magnetic backing to it. So, you know, you always need paper towels in your shop for one reason or another. So I've always had a roll of paper towels laying here or there. Could never find them until I got this little magnetic strip to put my paper towel holder. Another thing that you can get are magnetic mats. Again, this is a Craftsman one, but they have a lot of ones that aren't name brands. And a lot of these were gifts for Christmas, Father's Day gifts. And I use these mats. You know, you can put your tools in a place where you know that they're always there. I've even seen magnetic cuffs for your wrist if you're working with a lot of screws or something like that that you don't want to lose. But so I think there's a lot of uses. You just have to be creative, and this is just the one or two little things that I do to help me in my shop. So again, if you have some creative ideas with magnets in your shop, let us know in the comments. I really appreciate it. So thank you, and bye for now.